So let's straight away get you to the updates coming in from Jantar Mantar in the national capital for the last 21 days, as today being the 21st day of the hunger strike that has been undertaken by activist Sonam Wangchuk, and the protest that is now escalated into a major law and order situation. There has been heavy police deployment, chaotic scenes on the ground, and Sonam Wangchuk reportedly is now being taken to a hospital as well. Now, this is coming at a time when his health has seriously deteriorated. However, he has now been also giving out statements to suggest that he has been doing fine, and don't ask him to call off his fast at any cost. But however, we are now looking at a certain situation. There you can see the area that is being covered up in a way to project that his health is certainly not doing fine. And now what is being said that he's been taken to the hospital by the police. And we'll be getting pictures there and also getting connected there. But in the meantime, this seems to be the situation as the chaos that is now erupted there. You can see extra forces that have also been deployed in the area, Jantar Mantar, which is a protest site. And for the last 21 days, Sonam Wangchuk, along with the activists of the Cockroach Janata Party, have been involved in this protest against the government. And for Monday, when the monsoon session of Parliament begins, the activists were also planning to hold a protest march. But there you can see covered in sheets as the area on the stage where we are looking at Sonam Wangchuk reportedly has now been shifted to a hospital. Well, let's connect with Sabya on this. Sabya, we are getting chaotic pictures there, additional paramilitary forces that have also been deployed. And now we are told that Sonam Wangchuk has been taken to the hospital by the police.
Well, that's right. Activist Sonam Wangchuk has been taken to the hospital by the Delhi police. Meanwhile, massive security deployment here at Jantar Mantar. It has been completely geared out. Several layers of barricading, in fact, has been put in place. Extra security forces, whether it is a rapid action forces or extra team of Delhi police, have been deployed on ground. Now, Sonam Wangchuk's health was continuously deteriorating, and under these circumstances, the Delhi police have taken him to a medical hospital. Now, continuously, we have seen that the support of the opposition parties was continuously increasing at Jantar Mantar to Sonam Wangchuk, whether it is the Congress party, whether it is the Samajwadi Party or National or Aam Aadmi Party convener and former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who also came to Jantar Mantar to meet Sonam Wangchuk. Meanwhile, on your screen, you can see the Delhi police being deployed, and this is the main entrance of the Jantar Mantar. You can see the tent where Sonam Wangchuk was doing a hunger strike for almost 21 days. Today would be the 21st days that he has been doing the hunger strike. Meanwhile, on your screen, you can see the massive deployment of the security forces, Delhi police, central forces, as well as a rapid action force who have been deployed on ground. Meanwhile, announcements are also being made to the general public as well as the supporters of the CJP to make sure that the law and order situation is maintained. And Sonam Wangchuk, who has been now taken to a hospital because of his deteriorating health condition. Meanwhile, we are trying to get inside. But you can see the heavy deployment of security personnel who are present at Jantar Mantar, and continuously the announcement are being made to make sure that the law and order situation is maintained. I'll request my camera person just to pan and show you the visuals. You can see the presence of CRPF as well as the rapid action forces who have been on ground, and the entire Jantar Mantar has been completely barricaded. In fact, you see there is the media persons are also being not allowed to enter, but you can see that some of the CJP protesters now they are raising slogans, but we have seen in the past that how several of the opposition parties, whether it is Arvind Kejriwal from the Aam Aadmi Party or other leaders, extended their support. In fact, the opposition leaders also urged Sonam Wangchuk to end the hunger strike. Now, looking at his...
Sabya, if you've managed to reach the spot, please give an explanation as to what we are looking at, because with the additional deployment of the police and the RAF, we're looking at additional barricading also that has been put up. There are reports also suggesting that Abhijit Deepke has put out saying that he has been detained by the police, he's been beaten up by them.
Well, that's right. Both Sonam Wangchuk, who has been taken to a nearby hospital, and Abhijit Dipke, who claims that he has been detained from the protest site. Meanwhile, the supporters of CJP are also present out here, and continuous announcements are being made by the police to make sure that the law and order situation is maintained. Meanwhile, on your screen, you can see some of clashes happening right now. I'll request my camera person just to zoom in and show you. You can see that some of the scuffle happening right now between the security forces and the supporters of CJP, and the police continuously making announcement to make sure that the law and order situation is maintained. You can see on your screen that the top officials of Delhi police are also present on ground, and they are talking with the supporters. Meanwhile, minor scuffle are being broken out here between the supporters and the central forces, and you can see that there are very less supporters who are present right now. The central forces have taken over Jantar Mantar, and they're making sure that the law and order situation is maintained. Yes. And anybody who tries to break the law and order situation is immediately taken away from Jantar Mantar, is what the officials are doing currently.
All right, medical intervention amid deteriorating health for the last 21 days that he's been on a hunger strike. There you can see women forces that have also been deployed there, and multiple of these protesters that have been camping at Delhi's Jantar Mantar there. This momentum that has now gained in this protest, as far as Sonam Wangchuk is concerned, he has been holding this hunger strike for the last 3 weeks amid several appeals that have now come in. There are opposition leaders who seems to be rallying and making a beeline for Sonam Wangchuk's health, and also asking him to break his fast. But it seems that there was no moving him, and now we are looking at these police crackdown. That seems to have now come in from the very area in Jantar Mantar. For the last 21 days, it had become a hold for those people, including the activists of the Cockroach Janata Party, to lead their protest against the education minister and the central government. But what does this police crackdown indicate? There you can see individuals one by one are also being led away by the police over there. What are we now looking at, Sabyasachi? Are they also being detained? Because we are looking at this hangama that is only building up right now.
Well, that's right. See, a lot of the supporters who are present out here, the main focus of the Delhi police and the security forces right now is to make sure that the law and order situation is maintained. No chaos should break out, and that is the reason if any supporter of the CJP is trying to create any problem, they are being immediately detained from the area, and they have been taken away from Jantar Mantar. You can see on your screen that how individuals now are pushed away from Jantar Mantar because they are trying to create a problematic situation. You can see on your screen that how the supporters are being detained by the Delhi police and the rapid action forces. And these are the live visuals that we are showing to our viewers this morning after Sonam Wangchuk, the activist, and Abhijit Dipke, who claimed that he has also been detained by the Delhi police. Meanwhile, the supporters of the CJP are refusing to leave Jantar Mantar, and that is the reason why the security forces, whether it is Delhi police or rapid action forces, right now are trying to detain. You can see the woman who is currently lying on the floor, and she is refusing to leave Jantar Mantar. Now she is being dragged from Jantar Mantar area because the messaging from the Delhi police is very much clear that they would not allow anybody to hamper with the law and order situation, and make sure that this transition happens peacefully. And the Delhi police clearly says that Sonam Wangchuk was shifted to a hospital because looking at his health condition and nothing else, because of his deteriorating health and because of his refusal to end the hunger strike. That was the reason he was taken to the hospital, and you can see the woman on the screen who has been now claiming that she has been forcefully detained by the Delhi police, and she doesn't want to leave Jantar Mantar. Meanwhile, the scuffle is still
significant presence of the police, the paramilitary forces that we are looking at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, the entire area which has now been fortified, it's been barricaded. But if possible, Sabya, if you can pan the camera towards the stage as well, because we also want to show the pictures exactly what's... we are now looking at the pictures on stage. A short while back, the bed sheets that seems to have been covering the very area on the stage where Sonam Wangchuk was conducting his hunger strike, and for the last 21 days. And now what is being said as far as the other supporters of Sonam Wangchuk and also of the CJP, which is the Congress, the Cockroach Janata Party, they seem to have also been taken into custody and they have been detained. This seems to be the allegation that has also been leveled by them. So what's happening on the stage over there? Have everybody on the stage been removed now?
Well, that's right. In fact, we are showing you these exclusive visuals to our viewers, and the video journalist is showing the visuals from the stage, which currently is empty, and none of the people who were used to be present on the stage, whether it is Sonam Wangchuk or Abhishek Dipke, they are currently not present at the stage. So Delhi police have picked up Sonam Wangchuk and they have transferred him to a hospital. Meanwhile, Abhishek Dipke, who's also not seen in the stage, he also has been picked up by the Delhi police. Meanwhile, you can see the rapid action forces are currently deployed in large numbers, in fact massive numbers, and several layers of barricading also has been put in place. In fact, there is a restriction to the media movement as well, but we are continuously showing you the visuals of scuffle. You can see once again scuffle breaking out between the Delhi police and the supporters, and one by one these supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party are being detained by the Delhi police from the spot because they are refusing to leave Jantar Mantar. And you can see these live visuals how the women constable are trying to detain this female supporter of the Cockroach Janata Party. Meanwhile, earlier also several individuals have been detained from Jantar Mantar, and the efforts are currently on from the senior officials of the Delhi police to make sure that the law and order situation is maintained, and under any given circumstances the law and order situation should not hamper. Meanwhile, we just showed you the exclusive visuals of the stage. The stage has been empty. The Sonam Wangchuk, Abhijit Dipke and other leaders of the CJP who are not present at the stage right now.
All right. So what we are now looking at, is this happening on the directions of the Delhi High Court? Because a plea was also filed in the Delhi High Court, which had asked, for force feeding, if necessary, to be administered to Sonam Wangchuk. But the High Court, in fact, had asked the government to intervene if needed. Because this is also what we are now looking at 2 days before the monsoon session of Parliament that actually begins. And this crackdown that is now begun on the protesters, but mainly, Sabyasachi, the focus would be on focusing on the health of Sonam Wangchuk.
Well, that's right. See, that has been the focus of the administration. In fact, we are seeing the action from the Delhi police currently, and the Delhi High Court, in fact, have clearly said that every life is precious, and the Delhi High Court, in fact, had ordered daily medical monitoring and necessary treatment of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. And meanwhile, you can see that how the supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party are being detained from the Jantar Mantar area, and continuous efforts also are being made by the security forces to make sure that the law and order situation is not hampered at any given circumstances. And on our screen also we are seeing that top officials of Delhi police, in fact, also interacting with the supporters, with the handful of supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party who are currently present out here. Now, several of the supporters, in fact, are also crying as they don't want to leave Jantar Mantar. Meanwhile, the Delhi High Court's direction was extremely important, because the Delhi High Court had earlier directed the centre to ensure the clinical monitoring of climate activist Sonam Wangchuk, who was on the indefinite strike. And the High Court clearly said that the life of any citizen is precious and all efforts should be made by government authorities to save the same. And that is the reason why we are seeing
who have been regularly monitoring, health condition and warning and appealing him that his prolonged fast has now reached a critical stage. I mean, 21 days without any food. His health has deteriorated to a certain extent, Sabyasachi. He has lost also a significant amount of weight. But his last message that he had given, just before this crackdown began, He had acknowledged that his physical condition is weak, but he said that his resolve remains unshaken.
Well, that's right. The last message that was given by Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, that his physical strength may be weak, but he's mentally strong. And in fact, all the opposition political parties or the High Court, which in fact had asked Sonam Wangchuk to end his hunger strike. In fact, he said the opposition parties that instead of requesting him to end the hunger strike, they should join him in Jantar Mantar. Meanwhile, let me once again straight away show our viewers the current situation at Jantar Mantar. You can see that one by one the protesters are being detained. The CRPF, the Rapid Action Force, massive deployment of Delhi police also could be seen on ground, and continuously they are making announcement to the supporters of CJP who are currently in Jantar Mantar, and they are being said to maintain the law and order situation, and they should leave Jantar Mantar immediately, and they should not create any sort of trouble situation. Meanwhile, the announcements are continuously being made, but the intervention of High Court at this particular time was extremely crucial, because the High Court also had asked Sonam Wangchuk to end the hunger strike, looking at his health condition, and that could be the primary reason why the Delhi police decided to act, looking at his health condition, because today was the 21st day of his hunger strike, and continuously he was losing.
I think we've got the reason why the Delhi police is acting as far as this crackdown is now concerned and attempting to clear out Jantar Mantar. This is now coming in from the Delhi police in this latest update that we are breaking for our viewers. We are learning on part of the DCP New Delhi that as per the orders of the Honorable High Court and also on the expert medical advice due to deteriorating health condition of Sonam Wangchuk, he has been sent and he has been shifted to hospital for essential medical care. While complying with the orders of the High Court, the protesters tried to create obstruction, in which slight commotion was also ensued. However, the police took maximum restraint and undertook the exercise safely. And the Delhi police, Sabyasachi, is now requesting the protesters at Jantar Mantar to peacefully vacate the place. Well, the police action follows on the orders of the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court, remember, had asked and also had responded, the government to respond on the plea of the deteriorating health of Sonam Wangchuk. And however, the Delhi High Court had ordered daily monitoring, medical monitoring, and also the necessary treatment of the activist, saying that every life is precious. And even his doctors who were treating him on stage, multiple times that they have appealed to him to break his indefinite strike, this hunger fast. But however, as far as his supporters there on stage continue to rally behind him to spearhead this very protest that has been continuing for the last 21 days. In this latest statement that Sonam Wangchuk had issued, he said that don't worry about me, don't ask me to end my fast, continue with the protest that he has rather started along with the CJP. Let's get political reactions on this. So Priyanka is also joining us live from the spot as we are trying to increase our presence on ground to get you the live updates of this chaos that now seems to be unfolding at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. I'm told that Manav is also joining us here on the broadcast. Manav, the pictures that are now coming in is dramatic, but the Delhi police is only taking action on the orders coming in from the Delhi High Court.
First of all, what is Mr. Amit Shah doing? He's the Home Minister, and Delhi police is completely under him. It's under his control. So you want to say to the nation that Amit Shah has got nothing to do? Mr. Amit Shah is the Home Minister of the country, and Delhi police reports to him directly. So let's not hide behind the orders of the Supreme Court or the High Court or any third party. It is a direct action from the Home Ministry, first. The second thing is this government is equivalent to the British rule. What British did, they forcefully fed Bhagat Singh Ji, they forcefully fed Sukhdev, they forcefully fed every protester who were into hunger strike. And today, the same scenario is once again repeated in this country. And today, the country is not able to protest. They are not able to raise their voice. There have been draconian laws. The country where the BJP is ruling, they have brought the same draconian Indian law what the British used to bring in.
No, then what is the opposition parties doing that? I mean, as far as making Sonam Wangchuk a face of, this protest that has been spearheaded, he seems to be the one who is actually leading it. The other kind of the supporters that we have seen, there has been politicians who continue to make a beeline and extending their support to Sonam Wangchuk. But it is also coming at a significant time because the parliament monsoon session is about to begin. But Mayank, Manav, thank you very much for joining in. We also have Priyank joining us here on the broadcast. Mayank, we are looking at these pictures that have been coming in. But as far as the police crackdown is concerned, Priyank, it is happening on the orders, complying with the orders that has been made by the Delhi High Court.
Amita, what is Delhi police on their Twitter handle is claiming that they have done this on the directions of the Honorable High Court and on the expert medical advice due to the deteriorating health condition of Sonam Wangchuk. This is what Times Now was also highlighting 2 days back, that the Honorable High Court, which was hearing a public interest litigation, had clearly mentioned that if at all there is a need to check and the health condition of Sonam Wangchuk, and if the doctors feel that there's something needs to be done, that should be done. And that was the particular point which has been picked by the Delhi police officers, and now Sonam Wangchuk has been removed from this particular location where he has been sitting for the hunger strike for a long time period. The fact of the matter is that the High Court did not give any kind of specific instruction to the police, but certainly gave this in the onus in the hand of the doctors who will be treating Sonam Wangchuk. And that is the point because of which Sonam Wangchuk has been removed, and now the order of the Delhi High Court is being cited as one of the reasons. We can play out that particular chunk of reaction from Abhijit Deepke, because we them very specifically that are you afraid that this particular observation of the High Court could be picked up by the law enforcing agency as a shield so that Sonam Wangchuk could be removed? And this is what has happened, Amita, which is leading to this kind of chaotic situation. As per my sources, most probably Sonam Wangchuk could be taken to the Safdarjung hospital. Let's see how much time it will take for the Delhi police to do that.
So, is there any idea, Priyank, where he's being shifted as far as the hospital? And we are told that multiple supporters of the CJP, which is the Cockroach Janata Party, they have also been detained. So, where are they now being shifted?
Most probably they will be taken to the nearby, police stations, because Mandir Marg is the police station where these supporters could be shifted. We have to realize that this was not a major gathering. It was a gathering which was also having a few of the student wings, like 4 to 5 student wing organization. People were also sitting on the fast, and they have been also doing dharna. So on total, if you can see, there would be around 100 to 200 protesters who have been there, but they are very hardcore supporters of the CJP. That's why in the visuals you can see that there's a big amount of protest which is happening from the protester side. They also knew that something major is going to happen tonight or the day after tomorrow, because JP has been saying that they will be going to have a march till Parliament from Jantar Mantar, which has not been allowed during the Parliament session because of Section 144, which used to be earlier there, according to the CRPC. CJP was also aware of the fact that the Delhi police will never give them permission, because in this kind of scenario, the political party